Hello, all. After some of the inspiring podcasts from some of the leaders of Soprasteria India, I would like to welcome you all to the amazing family of Soprasteria. I'm sure you're interested to know more about Soprasteria and what makes it different. Before I start on all the reasons why we are different, let me introduce myself. My name is Shaini Rajan, and I head talent operations at Soprasteria. I've completed almost 25 years of fruitful, exciting, and learning journey with this organization. Throughout the previous podcasts, I'm sure you would have witnessed the values that we firmly believe in. Our values guide our day to day actions. Sharing them helps us understand each other and work together more effectively, irrespective of the kind of work we do. We demand professional excellence from ourselves and others while conducting our business. Our focus are our customers, be it external client or our employees. Respect is the guiding factor in all our actions and behavior. Respect all religion and preferences for celebration. We celebrate all festivals across all religions, and these interventions are driven under our cultural club Tarang. All employees are required to treat all prospective and fellow employees and customers fairly and impartially, regardless of age, gender, color, marital status, race, nationality, ethnic origin, religion, sexual orientation, and of course, disability. We have a diverse workforce which consists of 31% of women, and we continue to be committed to create an empowered, engaged, and enabled women workforce. 18% of our top level positions are occupied by women, and you'll be glad to know out of this, 10% of top level positions. We are also committed to provide equal employment opportunity and an harassment free workplace, notwithstanding race, caste, religion, color, ancestry, marital status, gender, sexual orientation, age, nationality, ethnic origin, or disability, as the case may be. We are committed to establishing and maintaining a working environment which is free from discrimination and harassment, where all employees, current and prospective, are selected and promoted solely on the basis of skills, experience, and competence. Collaboration and team spirit is the cornerstone of achieving our organization goals. We encourage openness and curiosity in our employees to help us grow together. A strong willingness to act positively drives our daily business. I have had an amazing journey filled with opportunities, learning, challenges, and growth. I welcome you to this journey and along with me be the part of this amazing Soprasteria family. Please log into soprasteria.in to have a look at different career opportunities and know more about us. Looking forward to connect with you soon